Hi, I'm Terry Walsh, and I've recently been given the honour of becoming the CEO for the Materials Processing Institute. I started my career in ICI here in Wilton. As well as that, I spent some time working in the methanol business at Billingham, and I spent 10 years working for Huntsman Dioxide, which became Venator. And what that gave me, the foundations of what the Northeast gave me, allowed me to develop my career and then expand my horizons globally. So I took that learning to places like Malaysia, Finland, Spain, France, Italy, and latterly I spent the last 5 years in an industrial factory in Germany. The skills that I learned from the Northeast that I was then able to expand globally, I can bring those back to the Material Processing Institute, and my strengths lie in taking businesses and growing them in an industrial context. I bring lots of innovative thinking and innovative ways of approaching opportunities in markets. And my core strength really is in the commercial side of running manufacturing operations to realize the full potential of an organization and a business to deliver absolutely their best performance they possibly can. The mission for the Materials Processing Institute is a materials and innovation for a sustainable future. And what that means is we're going to use our existing skills and our core capabilities in some critical sectors of the UK economy, and we're going to develop those to solve the problems that are already there in those industries, but which will become more important to solve in the future. Just to focus down on two that are extremely interesting and exciting and globally relevant. The first one is cement to zero. Producing cement produces a lot of CO2, which comes from the raw materials that they currently use to make Portland cement. And we are running a project which is looking at how we can adapt processes and raw materials in order to produce cement, which has a significantly lower CO2 impact in its production process. And the second one that we're going to focus on is green steel. Again, steel making traditionally has had a very high CO2 impact on the environment. And we already have the equipment, and we currently run what we call melts, where on an industrial scale we can change the process and we can change the raw materials to produce grades of steel which are significantly lower in their CO2 impact. And more importantly, we have the capability in-house to demonstrate that, because we have all of the equipment and the capability to characterize those grades that we produce to constantly deliver improvements in those products for our clients. The Materials Processing Institute delivers the results required from proof of concept all the way through design, all the way through research, all the way through the technology required. And we work with some fantastic clients, some of the biggest names in the foundation industries. And what's more, we also deliver for some significant investments in the UK economy, which come from schemes such as PRISM, Innovate UK, Economizer programs, and our role within those conglomerates is to deliver results, deliver testing, deliver analysis, and physically make the products that are the solutions to some of these biggest challenges that we've mentioned. I am incredibly excited and motivated to join the Materials Processing Institute, because all I see is opportunity, and that is the market opportunities exist already, they're becoming more important, and those opportunities are growing, and we have the equipment, the people, the expertise and the know-how, and we can put both of those together and deliver solutions to these huge global problems, both locally in the UK and globally, because these challenges exist everywhere.